Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBI 4B and we will make a videos uh, about debate, and these videos is to complete our speaking academic purposes uh, final test, and the motion of this debate is the traditional classroom is the best choice, and we will continue with the first section. And before we start, I will introduce our group. And the first speaker is Fika Dewi Fortuna, and next Melissa Fauzia, and next Wina Aristantia, and the last is Dea Amera. And uh, we can start with the first speaker. To Fika, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vika Dewi Fortuna, and I am the pro candidate from this debate. And I will give my opinion about about this motion. That is, the traditional is the best choice for student. I think traditional class is the best choice for student to get knowledge correctly. One of the reason is when it's come to the discipline and motivations. Traditional class does have many advantage in the eyes of many. The structure schedule of attending class, having a routine face-to-face interaction between the lecturer and student may help student on task. And then student in traditional on campus setting have more opportunities to be reminded about tasks. They will get more information about the task if they miss the information about it. And the another reason why is the traditional classroom is the best choice for student is the traditional classroom can make the motivation of student appear. They will meet their friend in the campus and make this atmosphere between them, and they will make some group and discuss about the lessons that they don't understand about it, and then they will give their opinion about the lesson and have more time to understanding the lessons. I think traditional classroom is the best choice for students. And that's all for my opinion. Thank you very much.
Okay, next, I will give the contrast side with the motion that is the traditional classroom is the best choice. I disagree with Fika's statement because I think the online learning is the best choice for the students. It because the flexibility of the online learning can make students have the more effective time to get the study in the house on anywhere that they can do it. And in online learning, the students can to increase their self motivation because they can study with their own, and the students can get some disadvantage of online learning, such as they cannot to go to college or school to face the teacher in the classroom. Sometimes students cannot comfortable to study at the classroom because they want to make uh, or they can to study alone and can to increase their independence of learning uh, the lesson. And to study online to study in online learning process, the students can do it at home and anywhere that they can do it. And I think is online learning is very useful to make the students have the more effective time to and to make the independent of learning. That's all for my opinion. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vina. Okay, I agree with the Tika statement. Traditional classroom is the best choice for student and can make student become disciplined and get the knowledge. Because this class traditional, all assignments, exam, note given by the teacher or lecturer are neatly organized and the assignments are collected according to the time allotted. And also learning in class is the right idea to improve our abilities because not all the question can be found on the internet. In this situation, we need the role of the teacher. Okay, there are several benefits of these traditional classes. The first is a traditional classes with curriculum and accreditation so that the quality and standards of teaching materials are guaranteed. And this traditional class, the instructor has certification, not just anyone who can teach. And the second, the level of cheating. Traditional classroom has the less level cheating so that it can train us to be honest from an early age. And in the classroom, we can increase our social sense because we adapt in a class and always meet with friends and teachers and can train us to speak up in front of the class. Education in school is not only the process of transfer knowledge from teacher to the student. There are more values in school, namely affective and psychomotor education of students. At school, students are formed into humans, not robots. Interact with friends directly, organize and socialize, or connect with the younger or the older people. I think that's all my opinion. Thank you.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Dea Amera. I want give a contra with the statement. I disagree with the Wina statement because in my opinion, learning with online system can make us more active and faster to searching the material or lessons in internet. And if the lecturer give out the assignment, students will be easier to find the answer. Sometimes lecturer give us a long time for the collecting the assignment, at least one a week. The reason why I choose online class is online class can be done everywhere and it doesn't take many times to come to the campus, as Marisa has mentioned. Another reason is to use media that enables to record and save the materials in digital form. So it can be easily to access and repeat the materials again. I think this online learning is teaching process that incorporates the internet and digital media in its delivery. Online learning methods are considered closer to the current generation of students known to be at one with technological products. In my opinion, using the online system, we will have more fun learning experiences as well as more interesting media formats, whether it's speak, video, or audio. Very different from the traditional class. I think traditional class tenses situation noisy and sometimes it hurts to ask a friend. That's our contra from me. Thank you.
Okay. I will open the second section of this debate, and the first opinion will be presented by Marisa. To Marisa, time is yours.
Okay. In the second section, I will have the pro side to the motion. That is, the traditional classroom is the best choice. In my opinion, the traditional classroom is the best choice and give the advantages to the students. Uh, the traditional classroom can make students feel comfortable to face with the teacher in class. Sometimes the students cannot to understand if the teacher cannot explain the material in front of the classroom. And next, in traditional classroom, the students can increase or improve their character, like their discipline, socialize, and independence. It because the students can uh, to increase their discipline because they must to go to the college or school and have the daily course uh, of learning in the school, and they must to come on time in the school. And the this the discipline, if the discipline is important to the student and make them uh, develop uh, in their development. And next, the students can grow up their socialized because they facing many people on the school, like teachers and their friends, and it also makes them uh, can work together with their friends uh, when they cannot understand with the material that's explained by the teacher. If they can understand, they can ask their friends and ask their friend to explain it again and make it the material uh, clear to and make them understand with the material. And and independence. The students can feel independence because uh, they they can improve their ability in the school, and they can practice it in front of the class. They feel uh, confidence, and they cannot difficult to practice in front of the class. Uh, that's why I choose the traditional classroom, and I think that the traditional classroom is the best choice. That's all of my opinion. Thank you.
I disagree with Marisa's statement about the traditional classroom is the best choice for students. I think online learning, have many benefits too. And one of a benefit of taking online learning is that they offer the flexibility for students. This is the great option for student who have another appointment with their family or works. And then this online learning will mode with the student schedule and allow the student to look into the online learning at the time that they help their parent at the home and they do the another task on their home. And then the another benefit of this online learning is social interaction between the lecturer and the student is still happen regularly, but not as common as the traditional classroom. And then the biggest differences between this online learning with the traditional classroom is that from the form it takes. I mean that the online learning, the student will get the material from the teachers or lecturers via video or through the online discussion posts. And if you are the student is the social learner who always active to ask any question to the topic about the topic, and then to pick the brains of lecturers. This video may help them to get a deeper understanding about the lessons. And then online learning will help a student to interact with their with another student, with they give this their opinion about the lessons, and we'll have some discussions about this. I think that's all of the benefit of this online learning. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dea. I want to give a pro with the statement. I disagree with the opinion from Pika. I think traditional classrooms are more effective than online because learning is done in person between a student and a teacher. Whereas online communication and learning systems are done over the internet using gadgets, and online system learning is more flexible. I think studying at home or so-called online systems make learning difficult because of lack of focus, because there are so many things that attract our attention. Like annoying little siblings or music. On the other hand, traditional class require that we always focus on the material and the lecturer who is teaching the lessons. Learning in traditional classrooms might minimize cheating by being under the teacher's care. The most important thing is that the time is take for a traditional class system is certainly more. Teachers and students are required to appear in a classroom at a given time. These traditional class systems requires the commitment and discipline of teachers and students. In my opinion, traditional class, especially at the university, there are obvious curriculum and accreditation to ensure the quality and standards of teaching materials. For teachers, there are standards and certification, and thus there is more security for the skills and capacity of the educator. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, I disagree with their statement, which say that online learning it's difficult. And as their statement before, traditional classroom is the best choice where students and teachers can do the teaching and learning process face to face. If we observe, it's easier to learn or teach via online. we can still do the learning process face to face. In this era, there are so many applications that we can use, such as Zoom, video call via WhatsApp, Google Classroom, or Gmail to submit the task. And there are so many benefits to learn online. At the first, online learning is very flexible. It can be done everywhere and anytime. And the second, save energy. And the third, not exposed to air pollution, not easily infected with any virus. And the most important thing is increasing our knowledge about technology. Knowledge about technology is needed in the future, one of which of finding work or job. And also, online learning can teach us to learn independently in answering the questions or completing the assignment from the teacher or lecturer. And the student become more responsible for the assignment that have been given by the teacher. And there are some positive effects of online learning in English study, especially in English study. There are so many applications that we can download in Play Store to increase our skill, such as Hello English, Busuu, and we can read the BBC Learning English. In this application, we can see how the pronunciation of the native speakers and can increase our new vocabulary or get the more idiom. And the last, there are some lecturer who give material via recording or video. Nah, in this situation, especially introvert students get the advantage because when student in the class, introvert student, they can ask the lecturer to repeat again about the material because they're afraid to ask. But in online learning, they can repeat the video that has been given by the lecturer. And in this section, we can repeat the material that has been given. And there are so many positive effects that we get from online learning. I think that's all my opinion. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I think this is the end of this debate. I hope the audience can get the message and another advantage from this video. Thank you from our group for your attentions. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.